to transfer money into your EdFin Microfinance account. Step 1. Go to www.quickteller.com and click on the windows next to the Quickteller logo. 2. Select Pay Bills. Step 3. Click on the white button by the search window. Click on Bank 1 MFB. Scroll to EdFin Microfinance Bank and click on it. 4. Insert your number, email, account number and amount and click Continue. Type in the card number of the account sending into the EdFin account. Step 5. Choose the account type and enter their card expiry, CVV and PIN. Then click on Pay. You'll get a one-time password on your phone. After entering the OTP, transaction becomes successful. EdFin, enabling education for the future.